Hi Aggies, it's Chancellor May and this is LeShelle and it's time for Thursday Thoughts. We're here at the Eye on Merak, which is right outside my office, which is on the 5th floor of Merak Hall. This is the most photographed of the 7 egghead sculptures that were created by Professor Robert Arneson, who's the sculptor. Professor Arneson passed away, but his amazing work has become an icon on our campus. This is actually my favorite egghead right here because you can't see it from the angle that we're at, but on the back there's an eye that's right at the chin level, and that eye is looking at the Merak Hall, at the administration building, because it symbolizes everybody trying to keep an eye on us to make sure we're not up to no good. So, and it's also, someone told me this, I think this is true, the head is upside down because allegedly people feel like we campus leaders think of things in an upside down way, which I can't imagine how they came to that conclusion. But.
That's cute. I think I like the eggheads on the other side, in the center by the law school.
On the little hill there?
Yeah, I see. I like that.
Wow, it seems like forever now. I think we started my first or second year, but originally it was just me, and people would ask me questions. But then every now and then, like Valentine's Day or Mother's Day or something, you guys would ask LeShelle to participate. And we got to the point where LeShelle was participating every week, particularly during the pandemic as we've been doing this. Mm-hmm. And now we're just at the point where LeShelle is much more popular than I am.
Yes.
I feel like, what's the guy's name in A Star is Born? the boyfriend. That's
and
me.
I'm Lady Gaga?
Yeah, you're Lady Gaga.
Okay. I like.
You know, I'm a second thought
yes.
at best.
Yes. Oh, that would be really fun.
Yeah.
I would love that. I would absolutely love that. I have my aprons ready.
What would you make?
Really good question. I'm thinking Italian.
Yeah.
Making some Italian.
Lasagna or something?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Or even traditional soul foods, fried chicken maybe.
Yeah.
When do we do? Is it the next Thursday Thoughts in the kitchen?
Well, we could do it anytime. Yeah, whenever you want to do it.
Very nice.
Again, you won't need me.
Right.
I'll taste it. I'll eat it.
Right. You can take the questions as I cook.
Now, after the restrictions are removed for COVID, you might invite a student to participate with you in cooking with LeShelle.
Absolutely. That would be fun.
Yeah. Well, you know, if you live long enough, you run across people who have beliefs that are different from you, and sometimes those beliefs are offensive to you. And it's always been my practice to try to understand where the person's coming from. So I ask, you know, why do you think that way or feel that way, or why do you have that particular position? Do you realize that that position is offensive to some, including perhaps me? And try to look for some common ground. But you know, I don't spend a lot of time on it, because if you can't find the common ground, you know, I would basically separate and ignore the person if I could. What do you do?
Almost the same, but I do want to say that I think people who are offensive to any group in any kind of way usually are lacking vision for themselves. And so when you, part of me understands the science behind those who are this way.
Yeah.
Because I don't think they hate blocks your vision and your optimism and all these good things that make you prosper and grow in life.
Yeah.
And so I understand that. And so, you know, oftentimes I'm not that offended because I can understand the science behind it. But do keep in mind, if you're offending anyone or someone's offending you, just remember that there's a reason for it. It's not always their fault. It could be the way they were raised, their environment, lack of exposure to other cultures, bigotry, lack of travel, and these things that make you just love to be here and love to be human-like and understand all of us for what we are.
I like the saying, hate blocks your vision.
It does.
Like
yeah. I think, don't you find that you're when you're happier, you have new ideas, and you know, everybody gravitates towards you. Just keep that in mind for those that people don't gravitate toward those people.
I think there's a difference between people who are intentionally and unintentionally offensive, and you know, you react to each one in a different way. I think the people that are intentionally offensive often have some insecurity themselves, where they have to elevate themselves to feel better, or they have to denigrate you to feel better about themselves. But the people that are unintentionally offensive, again, that's a learning opportunity. So that's when you ask them, why did you say that? Do you realize that's offensive? That sort of thing. So you can come away with everyone being uplifted.
Right.
So we've been getting these questions since the Falcon and the Winter Soldier has been out. LeShelle knows nothing about.
I don't understand the question.
So Anthony Mackie, who I mentioned that we knew last time, he plays the Falcon, or played the Falcon.
Okay.
When the former Captain America retired, basically, he gave Anthony Mackie, the Falcon, his shield.
Okay.
And so this whole Falcon and the Winter Soldier has been about him coming to a point where he can accept the responsibility of being Captain America and having the shield.
Okay.
So I thought it was a very well done series, and I thought the finale, which was last Friday, was exceptional, and it really sets up the new Captain America for the next movie or for the next season 2 of the series or whatever they choose to do with the character.
Oh, okay.
Did you know any of that?
No, I didn't. Did I watch it? I think I watched it with you yesterday.
You tried to watch some of it with me. I'm not sure if your attention was focused as well as it might have
I thought
been.
it would help me answer the questions today, but not so much.
Hey, Chancellor May, it looks like there is a campus tour. Do you want to go ahead and wave them in?
Oh yeah, sure. Come on over.
Hello!
Hi.
Hey.
Doing a virtual tour for our newly made transfer students.
Oh wow. How about that? Is that you, Sergio?
Yes, it is.
The mask on. I was trying to.
My mask, my hat. Then we also have our virtual people watching from probably all across the world.
Hi, virtual people.
Hey, Chancellors in the comments.
I'm actually the real Chancellor, not virtual. This is my real wife, Michelle.
Hi.
We were filming, recording. You don't film anymore. We were recording Thursday Thoughts, which is our weekly Instagram story. So hopefully you have a chance to take a look at that on Thursday.
Thank you so much for your time. We'll leave you to do your business stuff.
Enjoy the tour. Enjoy the tour.
Everybody. Have a good day. Bye. Go Ags. Okay, so Aggies, always great being with you. This was Thursday Thoughts for this week, and we want to make sure that you continue to stay healthy and stay safe, and go Ags.